What is going on, guys, and welcome to another episode here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you don't know who I am Zane. I make videos to inspire you to create your own story and realize that you have one life to live and to make the most out of it, that you can do anything that you put your mind to. Like me, I decided to become a race car driver, so race car, project car, we build cars, we talk motivation, we love life, we are happy, we are positive. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to today's video. Today we are talking Project Eclipse and everything that there is to know about Project Eclipse. Guess what? We got parts. We ordered a crap ton of parts, and that is exactly what we are going to be talking about here today. So before I show you what I've ordered, I'm going to show you guys what has been done to the car if you have not kept up or have you not seen any of the videos that have been done so far. So starting off, we have a whole new rear end that we have been working on. This entire crash bar was completely rusted. We were able to repaint it, resurface it. It is now looking good. This is the front crash bar, painted and now officially looking good as well. This is going to be the front bumper. It is actually in 100% good condition, just in extremely ugly color, which obviously will be getting wrapped as of course, because we're not leaving it that red. Going around, this spoiler deck lid will eventually get replaced, obviously. So this whole car is going to look completely different than it looks right now. We're going to have new wheels, new suspension, new brakes, new everything. Obviously, all the minor stuff. We're going to do a full wrap on this thing. The interior is virtually in perfect condition. Other than the Momo steering wheel, it is completely stock. We're going to be putting some racing seats in here. We're going to be doing a new head unit. Going to be doing some gauges. Definitely some fun stuff going on in here, but overall, it is in fantastic condition, and I absolutely love it. Sort of gives me the Toyota Supra vibe from the 90s. Now we talk the big picture up here in the motor. Now, I just did a video here just about 2 days ago on replacing the starter unit on this motor. So let me turn some lights on here for us so we have a better view. 1 and 2. All right, guys, so as you can see, we need a lot of work done here. This entire section is completely gutted, other than just a few small wires. The entire cooling system's gone, no radiator. Intercooler, we have 2 on here, 1's gone. We still have another one remaining, which is coming from this charge piping out of this turbo. Yet to do, I still got to remove the turbo, I got to remove the alternator, but I got coolant lines in the way, which I still have to remove those. Removing the fuel injectors, and that is about it. I guess I need to remove the manifold as well. That's going to come off, so that is it. And then we're going to dig into the head, and we are completely rebuilding the motor. We've got a bad head gasket, so we've got to take care of that. So we've got a lot of stuff to do, all motor related mainly for the most part. So from here, we are going to move on to the parts list. Okay, so parts list. Let's see what we got here. Now, when this car is done, I am going to be giving you guys a full price point and everything for how much everything cost overall, how much the entire build cost from start to finish. Currently, everything that I'm going to be showing you is part of that budget, along with the car itself, which was, I believe, $1,000. Don't quote me on that, but so far we're not in very deep. So starting things off, we have a Megan Racing radiator. Now, the radiator on this car was pretty much shot. There was multiple overheating issues, more than just the head gasket issue. So radiator definitely needed to be replaced, and we are going to be replacing it with a Megan Racing radiator. Now, the goal for this car as a build is going to be mainly as a daily, but trackable if I want to take it to the track. We're aiming for somewhere in the ballpark from 450 to 500 horsepower. So that is the goal with this build. We are moving on to a brand new water pump, a Gates water pump at that. I do not know if the water pump in this car is functional. I'm not sure, but we're already in the motor, so why not just replace it? It's a new water pump. Moving on, we have a Mishimoto radiator fan shroud. The fans did not work at all in this car. Completely gutted. So Mishimoto, you're coming to the rescue here. We're going to be putting you in for the new radiator setup of the Megan. So definitely excited to get that new shroud. Moving on, we are getting a Gates thermostat. Do we need a thermostat? I don't know. Is it big? No. It was $17. I'm like, hey, why not? It's $17. It can't hurt. So new thermostat, Gates. There you go. All right. Now moving on to some body kits. So as I mentioned, the front bumper is completely usable. It is 100% working order. It just needs a bad wrap. Like that paint is just terrible. So that's going to get wrapped. That's going back on the car. We're good. Coming to the rear bumper was absolutely destroyed. It was damaged, had cuts, dents, everything you could possibly have. It needs replaced. So we are going with the Duraflex drifting bumper. Now, drifter style bumper. Now, there is a lot of bad rep out there for Duraflex, okay? People are like, well, they're a knockoff brand. Okay, yes, you get what you pay for. Yes, okay. So this price, it says $302. I got it for $78 plus $100 shipping with a VIP discount. This car, while it's going to be a great build, it's also a 91, and I'm not going to be putting a extremely nice body kit on it. It's just not something that I want to do, especially in taking it to the track, because God knows what would happen there. So we're just going to go with the Duraflex. It's going to be nice and flexible. I've seen great Duraflex. B is for Bill. Just put a Duraflex on his GTR wide body, and it's absolutely fantastic. But then I've also seen absolutely terrible Duraflex body kit as well. So I guess we'll see what we get when we get it. Moving on, Duraflex once again. Side skirts. These side skirts were, I believe, $150 after shipping. So once again, we're matching the drifter style, which I do really enjoy, that drifter style. So these side skirts, you can tell from here. If you can't, I'll take you down there and show you. They are all bent up and scuffed up. In the middle there, they've got like puncture wounds. So definitely need to get replaced. Let me fit you back on there. There we go. Definitely need to get replaced. So new Duraflex side skirts it is. Okay, now let's talk turbo. The stock turbo in here does work. It is great, actually. It was holding 15 pounds of boost. Fantastic when this car was running. But I decided to upgrade to a bigger turbo. So we are going to a 16G turbocharger. It works fine with stock internals and stock fuel injectors. I am keeping the stock fuel injector. Well, no. I'm keeping the stock fuel injectors, but I'm replacing them with new ones because I'm not sure if the old ones were working properly or not, because I did have some fuel issues. A job that I've already done is a brand new race wall barrel fuel pump. So there is a brand new fuel pump already in this, ready to go. New steel braided lines all the way through, so that is good. So why not just continue with the fuel system and upgrade the fuel injectors so we know that that's taken care of as well. So turbo 16G, it's going to be one step up from stock, so definitely excited about that. To match the turbo, we are going with the turbo exhaust DSM manifold. Okay, I guess CX Racing, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the brand. I just totally labeled what it was as turbo manifold. Okay, obviously. So new manifold. That one up there works, but it looks disgusting, and I'd rather not have it painted and refinished because I'd rather just buy a new one. I mean, it's only $129. So why not? So last but not least, this is the same clutch that is on the race car. I absolutely freaking love it. It is a Stage 3 6-puck Clutchmasters Action Clutch. It is quite pricey, almost $400. Actually, it was $400 with shipping and tax, a little bit over that. But it is an amazing clutch. I absolutely love it. And I do not believe that the stock clutch on here is going to last that much longer, especially the fact, well, okay, I just said stock clutch. The clutch that's in the car now, I don't believe is going to last that much longer. And on top of that, I don't believe the stock clutch can handle 500 horsepower. I'm not really sure with this car. I don't know that much about it yet. So just to be safe, we are upgrading to the 6-puck clutch. I'm extremely, extremely excited to get this because it is a fantastic clutch. I highly recommend Action. Those right now are what is ordered and en route to the house for this. I don't really know much else about this build yet. I'm just kind of going as I go. I do know that there will be Raceland coils on it. I'm still working on to get some other sponsors for this deal. Once again, shout out to Raceland. Raceland sponsors the race car, and they are also going to sponsor this car. So thank you very much, Raceland. I appreciate it. I think that is about it for this update video. Merch plug. This jacket right here is brand new. It is on the site. It is extremely warm. It is extremely comfortable. Absolutely love it. You should definitely go cop yourself a pair, especially a pair. Definitely go cop yourself the jacket. Should I edit that out? I don't know. We'll see. Definitely go cop yourself the jacket, because if you live like I live and it's 20 degrees and 5 inches of snow, you need something to stay warm. So I highly recommend this. Also, we got the ZCompany flat bills. We got the dad hats. We've got the most comfortable joggers in the world. Guys, just go check out the site. It is all there for you to indulge on. Go buy yourself some gifts. You deserve it. I mean, you deserve it. You're supporting the channel. You deserve it. As always, be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe. I will see you guys next video. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story. Bam!